Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger, and if you need to find the fuses for the ignition coils, stay with us. We will explain where they're located. You may have up to 2 fuses, and it will work on V6 and V8 engines as well. If you still have problems with ignition coils, we will explain what else can cause that, and something else, guys. We will explain why it's super important to test fuses, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a dot charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So, specifically, guys, we have the 3.6 V6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure will be about the same. Right here you have the fuse box, you can see right there. That fuse box, how do you open it? You have two things that you need to squish on each side and pull straight up. Check it out and it comes up. Right here you have the fuses and the relays. Now, those fuses, guys, you practically have two kinds of fuses, and sometimes they're really hard to find out if they're burnt or not, so we recommend to test them. We have a special video, and I'll share the link in the description of the video below, that will teach you how to test fuses, how to test relays, and it can save you quite a bit of trouble, guys. Another thing, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays at a really good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. The fuses that we'll need to check, guys. Okay, now if you come right here and you come, okay, check this thing out. If we come from top to bottom, the third row, and then you go from right to left, 1 2 3 4 5 6, this 6th fuse here, 25 amp fuse, and then this 20 amp fuse, these two fuses needs to be checked for ignition coils, so you need to make sure that you check those things out. If you still have problems with ignition coils, or you need to replace them, we will have a video on the channel that will teach you how to do that. Something else, if your Dodge Charger cranks but does not start, we'll have a video on the channel that will explain how to fix that as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.